For the jute wrapped bauble, I applied a small amount of glue to the top, then pressed the jute into the glue, holding it down for a few seconds. I then started to wrap the string around the bauble, applying small amounts of glue every few layers. Once I reached the middle section, I worked in half sections. I had to do this as my glue was drying faster than I could wrap the bauble. As I got to the last section, I cut about a 5mm tail and gently pushed it in. To finish, I cut a small piece of string and tied it to the bauble. For this next one, I'm doing pretty much the exact same thing but on a smaller bauble and with cotton string. Because the cotton string is a lot softer, I glued the raw edge down first, then layered the cotton over the raw edge. The cotton string was a little harder to work with as it was a lot softer than the jute string. I found it was easier to adjust the layers using my tweezers. For the last bauble, I'm using a piece of linen and making cuts about every 2 centimeters. I'm then ripping the fabric where I've made the cuts. Don't be gentle with this part, it's best done firm and fast. Because linen has threads that warp and weft, it will rip in a straight line. Here I'm pulling a few threads off each side to give the edges a bit more of a fringed look. I then stacked the linen pieces in a pile and cut them in half. I glued the strips on with PVA glue. I didn't apply the linen strips in any sort of order. I just kept layering them on until the bauble was covered. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe if you would like to see more. I'll be uploading a video every day until Christmas Eve. Bye for now.